Hi guys, this is your host Gokul from Learn With Me. So guys, today we will be creating this. Okay. So today we will look at how to blur a particular subject or something like that. Okay. You must have seen in news channels that when a criminal is shown, so his face is blurred. Okay. In movies also particular subject is blurred and like that. So let's get started. So it's a Premiere Pro tutorial, and so you can use any version of Premiere Pro. Okay. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see over here, this is the Premiere Pro interface. So firstly I will import this footage. So guys, no need to worry, I will provide all the footage link in the description below. You can download and follow along. Okay. So we will just take this video, and so the video is over here, and now I will just drag it to my timeline. Okay. So as you can see that it is in on my timeline, so I will just drag these handles and make it smaller so that I can see the video clearly. Okay. So we will take this 4 seconds long. Okay. You can just drag like this to make it smaller. So this is the video. So now I will look for the moment where I can see her full face. Okay. So here I can see her full face. So okay, that's fine. So now what we will do, we will just go on new items and create adjustment layer. Okay. Then we will just drag the adjustment layer above the video. So as the name suggests, we are just going to make some adjustments. Okay. We could do the effect into the blurry effect. We could do the blurry effect into the video too, but we don't want to damage or destroy our original footage. Okay. That's why we are creating a adjustment layer. Okay. So we will just move to effects, and here we will search for Gaussian blur. Okay. Here you can see Gaussian blur. We will just drag it to the adjustment layer. Okay. And after that I will just select the adjustment layer, so and go to the effect controls. Okay. And then what I will do, I will just tool the pen tool. Okay. There are three tools: ellipse, square, and the pen tool. These two are predefined shapes, so I won't take them. Okay. Like this, you can see this is a predefined shape. Okay. So I won't take that. I will just delete this mask by just clicking delete. And after that I will just take this, and I will just go to the frame where I can see her full face. Okay. And then I will just go over here, and I will just draw a mask. Okay. So firstly I will just, if you put a click, this is a point. Okay. Then when you put the another click, so it is just straight line. Okay. And it, face is a curvy or flexible like. So what we will do, we will press Ctrl Z, and after that we will just click over here, and don't leave it. Okay. Just hold it and just drag it like this. Okay. When you drag like this, you can create shapes, flexible shapes. Okay. A bezier. So like this I will be doing. So I will just draw some shapes. Okay. Now see guys, this small line you can see over here. Now if I draw over here, you can see it got bent over here. So how we will fix it? Press on this and then press alt, and then just go over here. You can see the V sign or A sign. Just make it straight over here like this. Okay. And now just keep drawing the mask. Okay. I will fast forward this so that you would not get bored. Okay. So I'm just fast forwarding it. So as you can see over here, I have just completed the mask. To finish the mask, you have to just connect it to the last point. Okay. I will just do it, just make it smooth. Okay. So now it's done. So guys, now what we will do, we will just drag the mask backwards, then we will drag forwards. Okay. So sometimes this face may be upside up and down, so we will just drag it. Okay. So if you come over here, you will see that there are two buttons over here in the middle. One is for backward tracking, and another one for forward tracking. Okay. Tracking means following the movements. Okay. So it will follow the movements. I will just track it backwards. Okay. And if my shape goes out of the face, I will just press this stop and adjust my shape. Okay. So it will take time, so I will fast forward it. Okay. So guys, as you can see over here, the tracking is finished. So now we will track forward. Okay. So press this. So guys, as you can see over here, the track is done. Okay. So now we will just check the track how it is done. So you can see that the track is pretty good. So okay. So now what we will do, now the final thing which we are going to do is we will just go over here Gaussian blur, and what we will do, we will just you can see the blurriness, we will just increase it. Okay, increase it according to your need. Okay, I'm just increasing it near about 50. Okay, it's 50. So it's done now, and I will just increase a little bit of feather in my mask. Okay, so it will be near about 22, something like that. So now just play the video. So you can see, like, I will just make it full screen. So now you can see this is the final result. Okay, so guys, hope you like it. If you like it, please like the video and comment down below if you didn't like something or like something, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, and share this video as much as possible. Thank you.